Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, let's solve this question. Here, as a block slides down the ramp, the gravitational potential energy is equal to mgh and it is converted to kinetic energy that is equal to half into mv square, which gets later converted into the compressed energy of the spring, that is half into kx square, plus there is some loss of gravitational potential energy, that is mgh. Hence we can write the equation, that is mgh is equal to half into mv square is equal to half into kx square plus mgh. Now, where h is a height the block descends, x is a compression of the spring, and h dash, it is a vertical height block travels during the spring compression. Now the value of h will be equal to 0.53 into cos of 90 minus 39. H value is 0.53 into cos of 51. And h dash will be equal to x into cos of 51. To find the compression of the spring, we can use m into g into h is equal to half into kx square into, plus mgh dash. On solving out the common terms, we can solve for x square, that is x square will be equal to x square into k into 1 by 2 plus 5.1 into 9.8 into 0.629 will be equal to 5.1 into 9.8 into 0.53 into 0.629. On solving, we'll get x will be equal to x square into 227.5 plus 31.44x minus 16.66 will be equal to 0. Hence, x value is 0.21 and the negative side is x is equal to minus 0.48. So here we can reject the negative value, therefore spring gets compressed by 21 centimeter. Now, the stored compressed energy of the spring gets converted into kinetic energy of the block, and also that is half into kx square will be equal to half into mv square plus m into g into h dash. Let's substitute, which is equal to 0.5 into 455 into 0.21 square will be equal to half into 5.1 into v square minus 5.1 into 9.8 into 0.21 into 0.629. On solving out for v square, it will be equal to 6.52. Hence, v will be equal to 2.55 meter per second. Next, we can calculate the total distance on the ramp. Let d be the distance. D is equal to 53 centimeter plus 21, which is equal to 74 centimeter. And now the vertical height covered, that is h, will be equal to d into cos of 90 minus 39, and it is equal to d into cos of 51 degree. It is the h value. The change in gravitational potential energy is mgh, that is equal to m into g into d into cos of 51 degree. Hence, we'll get the values on solving and substitution 5.1 into 9.8 into 0.74 into 0.629. The final answer will be 23.26 joules. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.